What's up, guys? That's Dminerz here. I guess that half of that video had some classical music in that I just put out, so I had to delete it, put in a new one here. This video is for you guys to leave some comments below. See if we can do a community build with Dminerz. First time being live, doing a build with you guys, and it would not be fun without you. My peers would love to have you there. You know who you are. I would love to have all your thoughts there on the build as well. I think it'd be real funny. And there you go, CC. That's for you. Okay, there are two of them in there. There's your wooden case. Now send me some GPUs. And this is 6600. Had to throw that in there for him. 6600 Club right here. Nicknamed, yep, Misfit Mining 6600 Club. Shout out. And this here is the build that I want to do with you guys. It's a really big case. I love it though. And it's like the PX3. You can see anybody that owns one. It's just like it, but it can be closed as well, which I like. And we're going to put this $399 in, and people are going to be asking me why I go second gen a Threadripper, because it was cheap. That's why. I'm not spending $3,500 on a CPU. It's not happening. So here we have CPU mining going on. Oh no, this is the BTC 250. Okay, and then this here CPU mining. Alright, and that's what I want to talk about as well. You know, is this guy right here, and the profitabilities and possibilities of coins. Maybe we can switch and we can build. See that? That right there is, I think that's a 10 gauge wire. Perfectly holds the card right in place. I built this rack here I'm going to put another CPU miner down here and board and clip into this. And then here's the other one. But yeah, it'd be great to get everybody's output, comments, have a good time, and let's build with Dminerz. Let me know when. Evening time preferable, please, if possible. I do not want to get in the way of any other creators, because I do myself enjoy watching the other creators. You guys have a great night. Dminerz out.